Hello and welcome. Today we're going to make leek and rice pilaf, which I ate a lot growing up. First of all, wash the leeks thoroughly because they have lots of dirt in them. Then heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 4 spring onions, 2 large leeks, and saute. Do that for about 10 minutes with the lid on. I added the butter now because I forgot before. Add 2 grated tomatoes and 200 grams of basmati rice, which I've washed because that makes for a fluffier pilaf. You could use any long grain rice. Stir that together, add 500 milliliters of water with 1 chicken stock cube. If you wanted to keep this vegan, just add some salt instead of stock. The juice of 1 lemon, mix everything together and cover with a lid. Cook that for about 15 minutes on a low heat. There might be a little bit of water after 15 minutes, but that doesn't matter. Cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. The water will have evaporated, and fluff with a fork and serve. I like big portions, as you can see. I have this with salad and a mustard yogurt. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.